and there are many other sessions also planned. This event would be of national stature, and there is bright possibility that our past President APJ Abdul Kalam would be here in town specially for this conference, and other senior industry leaders would be also here. CNBC channel would be the official electronic media partner for this particular event. Other publications would also be there. We are already into conversation with 2-3 leading event management companies to take care of this particular event. On the third day of the conference, there is no agenda as such planned. The day is left completely free for the various dignitaries who are arriving in Aurangabad to plan out their own activities. Few industry leaders would be interested in interacting with local industry representatives. Maybe they would be identifying their lands, or maybe visiting establishments like STPI, or they may be interested in some sightseeing Ajanta Ellora. So the third day is completely free for these delegates, and that's how the whole structure of the conference stands as of now. We intend to have many pre-event activities happening in Aurangabad and this part of Marathwada, so that a conducive atmosphere is created for the conference, and in that context all the engineering colleges can contribute in their own way. What I request and invite is, if you have any concrete suggestion or proposal to make maximum usage of this particular event for the benefit of academic institution, we can definitely consider that suggestion depending upon various aspects of implementation. One thing is very sure, we will need lot of information in a tabulated form or a presentable form, in terms of like how many engineering colleges are there, how many students pass out every year, or till date what is the total number of students that has already been placed in various industries, which are the typical industries where students from Marathwada region are getting job opportunities. That could be one aspect. The other aspect could be, since all these engineering colleges have placed students in many leading IT companies, if you can generate the database of these students, we will send the mailers related to this particular conference, so that they can have dialogue internally in their organization about this conference. You can recommend names of speakers for various sessions. We will try and invite them if everything works out well. You can also recommend the names of the other dignitaries, like whose visit to Aurangabad can benefit academic institutions, as well as in terms of attracting new investment to this region. So any kind of suggestion and participation is most welcome.